So hello everyone, welcome to your PD Education. So today again here is one very important job update coming, that is from National Insurance Company Limited, NICL. So they are going to recruit administrative officer as a generalist and specialist in scale 1. So they had mentioned clearly here, online registration for this position will commence from 2nd of January and the last date will be 22nd of January. So the entire span for the payment of application fee is between 2nd January to the 22nd of January. And they had mentioned date of the online examination for the phase 1 and date of online examination for phase 2 and Hindi officer exam, that all will be notified later, yet they haven't mentioned any deadline related to that. So deadline will be 22nd of January and application will start from the 2nd of January. Now who all are eligible? See, in the specialist there are number of posts 28, 20, 32, 20, 20, 22, and they are for automobile engineers, information technology, actuarials, finance, legal, doctors, MBBS, Hindi Rajya Sabha officers, and second thing is generalist backlog vacancy discipline is distributed accordingly. So if you believe you are hoping for any of this position, then this advertisement is very useful for you people and it will end on 22nd of January. Now what further information they had mentioned? They had mentioned very clearly that what are the exam structure and all, and what are the essential qualification. For MBBS doctor you must have MBBS, MD, MS or PG medical degree, and if you want to go for legal you must have graduate or postgraduate in law, and if you want to go finance then you must be CA, ICAI, cost accountant, BCom, MCom, etc. And if you want to go for actuarials, then bachelor's, master degree in statistics, mathematics, actuarial sciences or any of the quantitative discipline, right? If you want to go for the information technology, either you have BTech, MTech, ME, MTech or MCA in computer science or information technology, you are eligible for this. For automobile engineering, you must have ME, MTech, BE, BTech in automobile engineering and 60% marks at least you must have. And then for Hindi Rajya Sabha officer, they have told here master degree from a recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject or as of the medium of examination at the degree level with 60% marks. So जितना भी मैंने आपको पोजीशन बताया था उन सब के लिए ये एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया भी आपके पास, और एज आपको यहाँ पे दे रखा है, मिनिमम एज आपका 21 होना चाहिए, मैक्सिमम एज आपका 30 होना चाहिए, और जो एज आपको काउंट होगा दैट विल बी एज 1st of December 2023. ये आपके पास एज रिलैक्सेशन दे रखे हैं एज पर द गवर्नमेंट रूल्स. So guys, these are the structure. Now let us see if they mentioned anything related to syllabus of the exam and something like that. Yes, they had mentioned phase 1 will be preliminary examination, it will be online, and phase 2 will be mains examination online. In phase 1 they had mentioned English language will be there, objective, marks are mentioned, duration are mentioned, version is mentioned there, reasoning ability will be there, type is objective, then marks, minutes, everything mentioned there. Quantitative aptitude will be there, 35 question. So total number of maximum marks is 100 marks, right? And minute is 60 minutes, and again you can see the version. So this is your phase 1 preliminary test. And phase 2 mains examination, it will be applicable for all discipline except for the Hindi officer, for computer science, for IT officer, for automobile officer, for finance officer, legal officer, they are going to conduct the mains exam. And mains exam, they have told the first section will be test of reasoning, objective, test of English language, objective, test of general awareness, objective, test of computer knowledge, objective, test of quantitative aptitude, objective, and number of question, marks, medium, minutes they have distributed. So these two are the structure of the examination. And for specialist position, this is the structure of the exam you can see on the screen, right? So like this they have done the breakdown of all the exam. Penalty for wrong answers applicable to both preliminary and mains. It means since both preliminary and mains they are the objective type, right? So there will be penalty or negative marking for them. So these are the process basically, and this is for the Hindi officer. So guys, if you want to apply for these position, don't miss the deadline. I have told you people deadline that is mentioned in the beginning. The deadline is guys from 2nd January to 22nd of January. I believe there might be many engineering graduates who are from the mechanical background, automobile background. There are many graduates from the MCA background, IT background, computer science graduate background. They are eligible equally to apply for the position, as I told you people, as an information technology officer or as an automobile engineer. For rest all position there are many diverse profile. They are asking if you belong to finance background, you can apply for the finance position. if you come from the legal background, you can apply for the legal background position, right? So we wish you all the best from the URPD education. So this is one of the great opportunity, very huge number of options and positions are there for automobile and computer science student. Don't miss this opportunity if you are just graduated, or if you are just below the age of 30 and you're looking for some stable and good job with some, reputed organization, then National Insurance Company Limited is one of the platform, right? Thank you.